Hello guys, today I have got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that your earbuds are so quiet. So the first thing is that you need to try to charge them up to 100%. You need to charge them fully to check whether it's working or not. Sometimes it is the issue. If it works, that's nice. If it doesn't work, we need to go even further. Try to switch the player in your phone. So for example, if you're playing some music on Spotify, try to play some music on YouTube Music or on YouTube or Apple Music on Tidal or on every other application that is available. If it works on other application, but on your player it doesn't, you need to check if your application has any updates and update your application, because this may be the issue. If it doesn't work still, you need to just switch the applications or just reinstall the former and everything should be fine. If it doesn't work fine, if it's not the player's issue, you need to perform a factory reset. At first, forget them from your phone, then open the case. Here at the back, as you can see, we've got this button. Hold this button for 10 seconds until you see this light right there go red. Now, as you can see, we've got a red light, which means that this is the factory reset. Now everything should be fine. If it doesn't work fine, you need to prepare yourself a proof of purchase and contact the device support. Goodbye.